Hey, have you got one of these from Harbor Freight? The punch or flanger tool, but yours doesn't work? Bill here from Restoring Christine. Christine, our 56 Bel Air behind me. I've used this to do a lot of metal work on Christine, and I have two of these. You know why I have two? Because the first one ended up it failed on me, and I couldn't figure out how to fix it, so I went and bought another one. And then I discovered the trick to fixing it. It's super simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. It just takes a couple of minutes. Here we go. So if you got one of these tools, it's really cool what it does, the one that works. So if you wanted to put a flange on something that you were going to lap with metal, it just acts like a mini press. You just keep on working your way down the edge, and it gives you a lip that you can overlap. It's really neat for doing metal work. It's also got a punching tool, so if you wanted to do spot welds, plug welds, you can just sit here, and this is 18 gauge metal. And just that easy, it punches holes. You take your welding machine when you lap it, and then you weld through these holes, and then you create a plug weld, and it creates a stitch. So this little tool is great. But what happens when it does like this one? So here, now this one, same air pressure, and now it's not doing anything. I come onto the edge of my piece. Let me turn it over. Come on the edge of my piece, and I'm getting nothing. It's not doing anything. I go to try to punch a hole. Let's see, no holes there. Nothing. Doesn't even leave a dent. Let me show you why. So even though technically this is an air tool, it's a hydraulic tool as well. There's a little hydraulic well in here, so it's air actuating a hydraulic press, and there's hydraulic fluid in here. And these things, it eventually leaks out just a tiny bit, and it doesn't take much. So you use your Allen wrench, and you pull out the plug. It's real simple. Pull the plug out. You top this off with brake fluid. So now this one here, I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with nothing more than some leftover Prestone brake fluid, and we're going to fill that up. It's a little tiny little hole, so it might take a little bit to get it in. There it went. It just went and it gurgled down. There again. This is really low. It sat in a drawer for a while, years. So still air bubbles coming up. It doesn't take much. It doesn't hold a heck of a lot. So I'm going to put that plug back in it. I'm going to try it out again. And it might take a couple of cycles to do this, but this is going to fix it. Plug it in. Plug it in there. And there it is. You can even see it. It's already closing. Look, fully down. Let's go back to where I was finishing. Where I was working before. Good as new. Good as new. It wouldn't do punches before. Watch. Nothing on that. Punch. 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 Hydraulic fluid. That's it. So don't go buy another one. You can repair it. That's all it takes. Hey, if you appreciated that video, tell you what, go check out my other videos. I'm restoring this 56 Bel Air. I'm 2 years into this restoration now, and I'm continuing on. So every week I try to publish some content and get out there and show you what I'm doing and how it's coming along. And we're going to get into some really good stuff coming up, because we're finally finishing the body work. We're putting the body back together. We're going to get into the motor, the transmission. We're going to get into wiring. The interior, got a beautiful interior kit for it. So go check out our channel. Well, I hope you found that helpful. So now I have two of these. If you want one, send me a message. No, just kidding. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got something out of it, give it a thumbs up. Check out my channel. If you like what you see, give it a subscription. See you next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.